big. Pounder.
Woo! Me and my good buddy Sonny over here, about to rip on lips early in the morning. This guy taught me how to fish right here, believe it or not. Oh, there. Damn. Thank you. It's the right hand that's called. Oh. Damn. Much. You guys recognize this? Part of the giveaway. Something I killed it on the last episode. Woo, it's cold. Sonny though, one of my best friends right here, look.
Been like months, baby, yeah.
Ooh, that shit look beautiful with the sun behind you, bro.
A chunky one, huh?
Ooh, let me zoom in. I can't really see you, but let me zoom in. There you go. Ooh.
Feels good, man.
About a 2-pounder?
Man, like
1.5?
barely pushing 2.
Pull up on my brother.
Oh!
You dropped it? Don't count. You got no evidence. Oh, I forgot we had a competition. Oh, we've been fishing for an hour. Score: Anthony 0, Sonny almost. You guys love a 3-pounder. This the first one?
Yeah, but shit, the other one I lost.
Oh, look at the scale of that.
Like 3.5.
16, 17. They look beautiful, bro.
4.3 younder.
Damn. Okay. There you go.
Hell yeah,
My man
bro.
Sonny right here. He went up on me now. He went up on me.
Yeah.
That's a fatty. Let's get a close up on this one though.
There you go, man.
That's beautiful, bro.
Thanks, bro.
That's a good 18-ish, maybe. Estimate.
Let's see. Day cast. It's a 4.3 though. You know, a little cool side.
Pressure is on.
When it's beautiful out, you know, big 4-pounder. There you go, baby girl. Come on. Woo!
Shaker. Oh shit. Oh shit. Hold on. Oh. You do not want to hold. You really do not want to hold it. Shake too much. That's dangerous. All right. Too bad it's a shaker. Don't count. Damn. Oh, hell no. Oh. No way. Damn it. Oh, okay. Okay, what a day. Dude, just stop shaking, dude. Like, I'll get you out. Oh, man. Oh my God. Oh, bent hooks and all. Gonna have to replace that. Definitely gonna have to replace that. Oh, okay. Whoa, 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 whoa. Man, that's why I hate these shakers. Dude, it's called shakers that shake so damn much. All right, there you go. Check this little one out. Alright. Been a long day just to get this fish. So yes, check it out. It's a pretty little shaker. Goodbye, buddy. Let's hope there's some more of that. Oh man, fishing with bent hooks. Let's just fish it this time. We'll change it when we get home. Too bad that doesn't count towards the competition. Oh, it's a fish. Yakko. I didn't even realize that. Oh, snap. Oh, he shook. Oh. Oh. Ah, that counted. Should have brought my net. Was it the bent hook? Probably. Caught a shaker and didn't realize I was on a bass. So it was at least a good keeper to get me on the board. My buddy got us on a solid 4-pounder, 19-incher. So kind of got some catching up to do. Yakko. On. Come on, man. Stay on. Don't shake off. I need a fish. He's barely hooked. Barely hooked. Yes. On the board, baby. On the board. On the board. On the board. Keeper is a keeper. Woo! On the board. That's all that matters. I am alive, baby. Let's hope it's hopefully a keeper. Hopefully. Oh. Ooh, it touches. Yep, got me a little keeper. All right, cool. Qualified. Finally got on the board. You gotta close your mouth, buddy. That counts. That's one to go. Morning, Yackers. So today's a little late intro. I was busy in the morning trying to catch up on this little bet that me and my friend Sonny got going. Best of 3 fish, $20. He's up right now because first fish was a 19. My first fish on board was a 12, so I got some catching up to do. But I haven't seen him for about a couple hours, so we'll see how he is. Thank you for tuning into my episode. Can you please like, subscribe at the bottom of the channel? Hope you've been liking my content so far. But basically the mission today is catch some largies. You know, we're still on the pre-spawn phase. Hopefully hook up on a big striper again. Yakko, here you go. A lot of time. Oh, he shook off. Damn, I need to fix these hooks. All right, I need to fix these hooks. Oh, I need to fix these hooks. All right. Oh man. Yakko. Come on, stay on. Stay on. I got it. About time. Little baby one. All right, now the bite is starting to warm up. Let's go. Up, safe release. All right. Ooh, Yakko. On. Oh. On. Get the attention. I need the bag. I need this one. Ooh, it's another striper. Oh my God, look at that. If you're talking about hungry, I've never seen. Check that out. Whoa. Hey, look at that. That's a hungry striper. Swallowed the whole thing whole. Oh. Get the hooks out. Oh man, it's gonna be a hassle to get your hooks out. You swallowed the whole jerkbait. Just one out. Oh, there you go. And it snapped off. That's great. That's cool. As long as I didn't lose the fish. Another shaker. Let you guys get a close look at that one. Alright, let you be off. Thank you. Alright, so my front camera died. Only thing left is the chest cam. Yak him. Yak him. On, baby. No pass. Oh. Hopefully it's a keeper. Hopefully. Hopefully. Oh. No. No, it's not. Darn it. A little shaker. Ouch. Oh. Alright. You guys see that? Oh, thank you. Alright. So they are here. Yak him. Yak him. Let me land this one, please. Feels good. Let me land this. Oh, hell yeah, let me land this one. Hell yeah, don't shake off. Don't shake off. Don't shake off. I need this one. I need this one. I need this one. I need this one. Oh, no, 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 I need you, buddy. Yes! Yes! Needed you. I needed you, buddy. I needed you, little fat one. Yes. Woo! Let you guys look at that. Definitely a keeper. Let me take a picture so I get some evidence. Fish number 2. Thank you.
The exact fish I'm going for, but she played. 12-incher, small one. Still fun though.
Sonny, how'd you do? You got 2? You won there. I got 2 too. A 12 and a 13. Oh. Alright, Yakers, that's it for today. Caught a bunch of shakers. This guy won right here. Very good friend Sonny right here, one of my best friends. He taught me how to fish. What's up, bro? Yeah, bro. Oh, no. Yeah. Winner.
Glasses at my table, can I show you the way?